In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to compare responses to a key using the sum product function in Google Sheets. Here we have test responses from 11 students. On the left, we have our key. Now, the traditional way to compare responses to a key would be to go through each individual response and say for student 1, the first response is D, the answer is D, so that's correct. The second response is C, the answer is A, so that's incorrect. Add up the number of correct ones, and that ends up being 10. For student 2, it ends up being 11, and so forth. But there's a faster way to do that, and that's using the sum product function. So I'm going to scroll down, and here we have just one student compared to a key. Now, to understand how the sum product function works, let's look at what happens when you compare one student's responses to the key. So it's easy to compare one response to one answer. I'm just going to type in equals here, put this cell in the formula mode, select the answer, type in equals again, and select the student response. And what that does is that compares the answer to the response, and if they're the same, it returns a true. If they're not the same, it returns a false. I'm just going to copy these down, and now we have an array of trues and falses. And these can be treated as ones and zeros. I'll show you an example. I'm going to type equals here, select this cell, and I'm going to multiply this by 1 and enter. And you see, it is treated like a 1. False is treated like a 0. So if we multiply all of these by 1s, we end up with an array of 1s and zeros. And it's easy to take the sum of this by using the sum function. Close parentheses, and we see that answer is 10, which is correct. Now, what if we use the sum function on the trues and falses? What we see is that this does not work. And that's because the sum function does not treat the trues and falses as 1s and zeros. For this, we need the sum product function. Now, let's see what happens when we use the sum product function. So go here and go to the formula bar and type in product, select sum product, right here, hit enter. And we see that it gives us the correct score. Now, to understand why this is, let's look at what the sum product function typically does. So here we have two arrays, an array of 1s and 2s, and some random numbers. So I'm just going to type in sum product, select this, select the first array, comma, and select the second array, close parentheses. What this does is it takes each value in the first array and multiplies it by the corresponding value in the second array. So it multiplies 1 by 5, 1 by 2, etc., and then takes all of those products and adds them together, which in this case ends up being 99. But what are we doing down here? Here we only have one array. What happens when you only use one array in the sum product function is that instead of multiplying it by another array, it simply multiplies it by 1. And remember, when you multiply trues and falses by 1, you end up with 1s and zeros, and then it takes the sum of that, which in this case is 10. Now, we don't want to go around creating an array of trues and falses for every single student. Wouldn't it be easier if we could just use the sum product function right here? But we still need to compare the responses to the key. So select the key, type in equals like we did before, and select the student responses. And what this does is it compares each value in the key with each value in the student responses, and it returns an array of trues and falses. And then it multiplies those by 1, and then takes the sum of that, which, close parentheses, hit enter, gives us the correct student score. So we take this, copy it, go up here, we paste it, and you can see we now have the correct student score compared with this key here. Now, if we copy this over to student 2, it doesn't work. And that's because if you look, it's actually comparing student 1 to student 2. And that's because we use relative reference. So this reference here, which used to be a reference to the key, has been updated. We don't want it to update. And so to stop it from updating, we need to go back here, and we need to use absolute reference. So I'm just going to add a dollar sign in front of A, dollar sign in front of 2, dollar sign in front of A here, and a dollar sign in front of 16. What that does is whenever you copy this formula, the key always stays the same, as such. And there you go. Now we have the score for each student. I hope this has helped you to gain a better understanding of how to use the sum product function in Google Sheets. Thank you for watching.